Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be flipping through another one of the planners that I got from the Happy Planner with their recent fall release. So this planner is a 2022 meal planning planner, and I am very excited for this one. Okay, yes, I say that about every single one, but I'm very excited about them all. But currently with meal planning, I'm a little all over the place. I sometimes use one of my Happy Notes notebooks and then my daily planner and my catch-all, and I kind of bounce around from using those to meal plan. I will almost always write in my daily and my catch-all what the meal will be, but then randomly I'm writing grocery lists and things in Happy Notes and just kind of all over. So I'm really excited. In 2022, I'm going to try out having a planner specifically for meal prep. So that is why I decided to get this one. This one is part of the Southern Farmhouse collection. I think they had, I'm pretty sure there's at least one other, maybe a couple other styles of meal planning planners, but this one definitely spoke the most to me. I love this cover. I love just the pictures of the oats with the blueberries. I love blueberries, so that caught my eye. And then just the colors. I love the green leaves tied in with that. And then the gold kind of spackling or splattering on it. And then it does say at the bottom, eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. And I love that. So very excited for this planner. Let me get all of the wrapping off of here. And we'll just take a look at the back since I'm getting rid of all this. Let's see if I can get the, got some of it, some stuck. Get this sticky off, just enough left stuck there. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. Okay, the back, of course, is really gorgeous. Just the flip, yeah, it's just the opposite of the front, and it does have some white splatter or spackling, and I apologize, I have like fingerprints and stuff all over this, but it is very, very gorgeous. Okay, let's start taking a look at the inside. Oh, and the inside's kind of like a light turquoise greenish color with some more of the white splatter design. And then the welcome sheet, we'll take that out. I love that these welcome sheets do give you a little glimpse at whatever the layout is for that particular planner. So this is a meal planning layout in this planner. And our name page, how fun with an avocado on there. I love avocado. And it's kind of like a blue color. Oh, we have some bending going on here. But that is gorgeous. Then we have our year at a glance for 2022 and 23. Right down the center, it has the dots, just dots. This is very neutral, but this is just like the center of the weekly pages in the Let Love Grow Classic Happy Planner. I just noticed that, which that is a very neutral planner, and I think this one will be as well. And then the perpetual calendar. This just has the lines down the center, which I think that's the same as the Let Love Grow one as well. And then our currently page, I am very excited for this. So this is one area where I plan to kind of brainstorm meals. I love that this even has recipes to try, mealtime and recipe name. And just do some thinking ahead for the month of what I want to be doing for meal prep and meal planning. And then look at this dashboard. There is no love sincerer than the love of food. That's awesome. But I love this. And it has some of the gold, and that actually might even be, I think that might be rose gold foil, which I love. It's hard for me to tell a little bit with the way my lights are shining. But either way, it's beautiful. And then we have the bowl of eggs. I love that. And then our calendar spread, very neutral. I'm not sure how I'll use the calendar layout for meal planning. I may just write in the dinners of each day. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to think through that one. Or if you guys have any ideas, let me know if you use a meal planner, a planner specifically for your meal planning. And then this is awesome. Okay, so recipes and ingredients and your grocery lists. I'm super excited for this, to have one place for all of this. And then our weekly spread. So the meal planning layout, it has, you know, your days like this, just like a vertical layout planner, but then you have it broken up as you go down as well. So you have an area for breakfast, an area for lunch, dinner, snacks, and ingredients to prep. So that is awesome. And one thing that I do that I've just been kind of randomly doing in my daily planner and my catch-all sometimes is I'll make myself notes of, like, if I know we're having pork chops, you know, tomorrow night, then tonight I take them out of the freezer, or sometimes I'll take them out 2 days ahead. But to take things out to defrost or different things like that, I'm thinking that will be awesome to have the extra area to just note things and remind myself of things and just kind of have it all in one place. And these are very neutral too. I definitely plan to decorate these spreads, probably not a ton, but just to add some color and some stickers. But I love that they're neutral spreads, so I can really do whatever I want with the stickers. And then we have our February currently and our February dashboard. Laughter is brightest where food is best. That is awesome. All right, let's keep looking at these. Gorgeous, gorgeous dashboards. People who love to eat are always the best people. Amen. You don't need a silver fork to eat good food. Bon appetit. That looks good. Oh, and then for June, we have pumpkins. That's pretty. I would have expected that to be October, but it's still gorgeous. Nothing brings people together like good food. And then July, life is what you bake it. That's awesome. Very clever. First we eat, then we do everything else. That's awesome. And this is really pretty. So this is like a pinkish purple foiling on here. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, pancakes with all the fruit. That is so good. And eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. So that's the same quote that's on the front cover. Life is best with a little zest. That is awesome. And then November, where there's a whisk, there's a way. That is awesome. And then cooking with love provides food for the soul. And that has like a bronzish foiling, matches the divider. I think a lot of them did, or the tab. Okay, let's take a look at the very last page, or just a page of notes. Finding some places where these are bent. But yeah, just a kind of a turquoise blue color, and then the back inside cover is the same as the front inside cover. All right, there it is, the gorgeous meal planning planner. Do you guys have this one? Did any of you pick this one up? Is it on your wish list? Did you pick up any of the other meal planning planners? I would love to hear from you. Comment below. If you enjoyed flipping through this planner, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.